How search works, outside the box. Ever wonder what kind of work goes into bringing you search results? In this short series, we're looking to look at search, outside of the box. How words appear. There are two very important concepts when it comes to ranking called term frequency and inverse document frequency, which allow us to understand both how relevant an individual page is to a word, as well as understand how common or uncommon a word is across all of our search index. When combined together, these two concepts go some way in helping us to create an efficient search experience. Term frequency. Spammy black hat techniques aside for one moment, and there are methods to deal with these. A page which contains the word carrot more is going to be more likely to be relevant for a search for the word carrot, or a search containing this word. Here is where some of our techniques like stemming and normalizing text come into play, allowing us to understand different ways of writing or forms of the same words as the same thing. Essentially, we are trying to see how characteristic a term is of a document. Inverse document frequency. Inverse document frequency refers to how common the word we're looking for is across the whole of our search index. Anti-disestablishmentarianism is a very distinctive word, which will appear in very few pages that we find out there on the web. Knowing that this is an infrequent term is a very useful thing when it comes to understanding what should be shown. If a term appears a fair few times on a single page, it is very characteristic of that page, but it appears very little across the entirety of the index, it is very distinctive as a word, then this allows us to understand something about both the page itself and how unique it is across all of our pages.